Friends, welcome to our channel Accord Medical. Today we will show you the demo of Acco Ultrasound Therapy Machine 1 and 3 MHz. It comes with a carry bag, two handles, one is of 1 MHz and one is of 3 MHz. Before starting the demo, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start the demo now. Switch on the machine. Attach handle and wire. This is of 1 MHz and this is of 3 MHz. It has inbuilt programs, 27 inbuilt programs. We will show you how to set the manual program. Currently, the cursor is blinking on the timer. You can increase the timer up, timer down. Then start the machine. You can see 1 MHz is in use. If you want to use 3 MHz, you can press this button. And now it will be used in 3 MHz. Let's do the water test now. Manual program 5 minutes, continuous 1 MHz. Increase the intensity. Now we will show you for 3 MHz. You can also set it on continuous or pulse mode. After use, clean the handle properly with a cloth and make it dry. Stop the machine. Now if you want to set on the any of the program, you can see the cursor is blinking on the manual program. Now we can change the program from here. Program 1 is amputation pain for 8 minutes, pulse and 1 MHz. It has total 27 programs. To start, you can press start. You can see it is atomic wound 6 minutes, continuous and 1 MHz. If you want to change it to 3 MHz, you can change from 1 and 3 MHz button. Increase the intensity. Intensity up. Intensity down. Once the treatment is completed, press stop. You can also buy this machine online at medicalBazzar.com. The link will be given in a description below. The demo is completed. Thank you.